This is exactly how to print your own stickers with the Hello Blink sticker maker. So firstly, go into settings on your mobile, and then what you need to do on settings is to just click where it says Bluetooth right here, as you can see. So click on Bluetooth and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. If it's turned off, it's not gonna work, just so you know. Make sure that you're also connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, by the way. And now what you need to do on the Hello Blink sticker maker itself is to click on this little button right here. So this little button right here, what you need to look for after you click and hold on it, you need to look for a blue light shining here, indicating that it's then turned on, just so you know. So when it's turned on, what we need to do after that is to put the paper roll in this right here, as you can see. So when you put the paper roll, I'm just going to show you exactly how to do this. So you can see here's the paper roll and it needs to go in here. But what it also needs to do, by the way, it needs to go like this with the paper sticking out here. So if I'm just gonna draw like this, so stick it in here, but make sure the paper is sticking out right here where the circle is, as you can see. So it's easy to see how it needs to be. So make sure it's sticking out. And then when it is, you need to go to the Hello Blink Sticker Maker app here. It's called yeah, it's actually called Hello Blink Sticker Maker app, to be fair. So you can find it on the App Store if you have an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you have an Android. Then click on Set up your printer, and then just connect to your printer here, as you can see. Now you can choose your shape, your sticker shape, either square or circle here, as you can see. And then when you choose one, you will have three options: photo, import, or create. So what does this mean? Well, the photo option means that you take a photo right away on your mobile and then you can print your own photo. Or you can import photos, so if you have old photos that you want to be able to print, you can do so here. Or you can click on the create option, which I did here, as you can see. On the create option, you can choose from their gallery, you can draw something, or you can write something here. So I clicked on gallery. So in gallery, you can see you can, for example, choose gems, shapes here, sports, and all of the kind of shapes that you want to be able to choose here. So I choose gems, and then in here I choose the lightning symbol here, as you can see. So once you click on the or whatever you want, and then click on the check mark here, you will then be taken to this page right here. And then you can click on use this image, and then just click on print here. So what will happen after you do so, it will then print it out from here. So once again, make sure that the paper roll is correctly inserted in here, and then it's gonna print for you. And that is basically exactly how to print your own stickers with the Hello Blink sticker maker.